Baguio again. So welcome to another vlog. So I was actually just packing my things kasi aalis kami for this 4th of July, and actually found this KKV haul na hindi ko pa pala siya na video, so I might as well put it here kasi gusto ko siyang dalhin for this trip. So actually konti lang siya, but I just want to share to you because super cute siya. But first is this. So this is actually sugar-free mint candy with mango peach flavor. Ganun lang. Then lalabas siya. Nice. The next is this. So this is actually a Kanban probiotics refreshing mouth spray, peach flavor, and it's actually a collab with Kanban and Line Friends. So I'm not a big fan of color pink, pero pansin ko lahat ng gamit ko is pink. So sinabay ko na ang cute niya. For Line Friends, ayan. Tingnan natin. Oh! In fairness, lasang peach nga. This one, super cute nito. Actually, that time when I went to KKV, ayoko talagang bumili ng kahit ano. Pero nung nakita ko to, sumunod na yung mga bibiling ko. Red electric guitar. I actually found keyboard. Yun sana yung gusto kong bilhin kaso wala. Then I found this. Super cute niya. And hopefully, ma-assemble ko na siya soon enough. And lastly, this one. So, I found this. So, super hili ko kasi sa Panda. And I found this, like, Toy City. So, I actually like this Lucky Pig and Papa Wing. And kahit ano naman, super cute. This one. Unboxing. Oh, nakabalik din siya. Oh my god, it's so cute. Meron din pala siya talagang maliit. This one. Oh, Rich Tortoise. Oh, Rich Tortoise. Okay. Okay siya. Ganito siya. Then, nakaganyan pala siya. Oh, wow! Cute! First meal of the day, 12 o'clock. Ano yung sa'yo? We're here at Baguio again, our yearly Baguio trip. Buti hindi masyadong maulan. Good morning, Baguio! We're here again. So this is our yearly trip at Baguio. Since wala na kaming mapupuntahan kasi napuntahan na namin lahat. We're having this challenge na no taxi challenge. Dito lang kami around Session Road, Burnham Park, and around the area for this 4th of July. So yay! Morning!
Kalimutan ko pala ng jowa.
Always have a strawberry taho if you're going here at Baguio. Strawberry taho for 50 pesos. Breakfast here at Burnham. Meron pa lang side dito na walang masyadong nagbabike. Sana dito na lang kami. Sobrang daming tao dun sa gitna ng Burnham. Ito, sayang. Model ng strawberry. Hindi naman kita yung tara.
Ni Joy's 30th birthday.
Yun yung umiiyak siya.
Game of Thrones. O kaya
Coco, strawberry matcha. Ay, ano sa'yo? Strawberry matcha latte, no? And Spanish latte. Then, found this.
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster. I don't like marshmallows. You too, you don't like. Hotel, cheers, berry.
Kuya naman, you know my weakness. You just sad.
Pets! For pets. Ay, wala pala.
Panangga. Nahulog yung bukod mo.
We're done with the night market and late night food.
It's so fun.
We're heading back to our hotel sa Prime. Sobrang lakad lang siya.
Uphill.
Wait, pagod ako. But super mabilis lang. Diba ang cute? She has a new hat.
It's so warm.
Super recommended ang Prime Hotel kasi sobrang lapit lang niya. Like, Session Road and Night Market. Ito siya.
pala sa nila rin. Malamig na rin.
Pagod ako. Happy Hill.
Saan tayo?
Later. Night snacking after the night market. So, meron na kaming takeout. Sa akin yung takoyaki. And, ano sa'yo? Anong halo nito?
Hindi ko alam eh. Mami.
Mami with some pork.
Pares.
Pares pala. Then, of course, her never-ending chicken skin. That's her favorite. And, what's that?
Adobo rice.
Adobo rice. Then, I have Smart Sea honey calamansi. Masarap to. Tapos sa'yo ay orange mango Minute Maid. Masarap din siya, in fairness. Pero mas gusto ko to. Smart Sea. So, done with the day 1 here at Baguio. So, we're going to have a quick haul sa mga napamili na wala sa plano at budget. So, the very first one is, kanina, bumili ako ng payong. This is 150 around Harrison. So, maganda siya kasi maganda yung kulay nga. But, ang ayos dito is 12 rims, tawag nila doon. Basta ano siya, matibay siya. And maganda yung color niya. Second is this two. Sasama ko na rin yung kay ate. So, we went to Puerto Varga. And, naghahanap lang kami ng damit. Pero, tinuro kami sa Jimochi. I have this sunblock cream made from Korea. This is 195. Para siyang Anessa. Then, I also bought an argan confume. This is 349. Spray siya sa hair. So, this is the two. She bought this Focallure gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliner. And also this Dolce Aquatic Sunny. Magkano to? 80? I think 80. This is 80 pesos. Inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Pak. And meron din siyang Bath and Body Works for 79. Sweet pea. Nice. Then ito pala is 125. Haul. Next haul, this is the things that we bought sa night market. Yan siya. So, to start off, of course, the main purpose we went there is for Tilly's. So, ito yung kay Tilly. So, the very first is this cutie Lakers. Oh, diba? Lakers. Cute siya. How much?
120.
120. Diba? Cute. Then, meron din siyang ito yung 180.
Oh, parang
180 siya. Super ruffle, super girly. Meron din siya nito. Pag ilalabas niya yung cut. Cute. And this is my favorite. Shades! For 65 pesos. 65. So cute. 70. 70. Kulang pa siya.
bagay ba lang sa Lakers?
70 siya. Yes! It's bagay. Semi. Pwede na. Cute siya. Ito yung sa hat.
Tapos yung shades sa pink.
Yes, pink to pink. Ito siya. And costume to pink. Diba? Saya. Ito yung mga unnecessary buys. But we bought it because it's only 20 pesos each. And 3 for 50. Ito is supposedly 2 for 50. Kaso isa lang yung bet ko. So, I bought this for 30 pesos. Cute lang siya. Pa-turtlenecks. Mga ganun. Long sleeves na black. 3 for 50. Pagbibili ko ng isa, 20. So, this is the first. Next, this one. Medyo, lahat sila long sleeves. Cutie lang. Another shade of that color. Pinkish. Stripes. Ate. Sa ito, no? Cute floor mat. Mat.
Wallpaper.
Not bad for 20 pesos. Ay, ito maganda. Pop.
Pang concert.
Ready for concert. Gusto mo pala yung sa akin. Akin to. Mine. Tatlo yung sayo.
Cardigan.
Cardigan naman yung pangatlo niya. Not bad. 20 pesos each. And yun lang naman. Quick haul. Bye. See you tomorrow. Breakfast time. Brekkie. Tea.
Pandila.
Puttanesca and bolognese na pareho lang. And just having a hot matcha. Cozy. Prime Hotel.
Oy! Oh my God!
I sing it